Cooling demand is rising everywhere, from battery energy storage to city rooftops and hyperscale data centers. Efficiency and reliability aren't just nice to have, they're mission critical. Garrett leverages 7 decades of turbo machinery expertise and breakthrough foil bearing technology to transform HVAC. Meet Garrett's oil-free centrifugal e-cooling compressor using foil bearings, proven at scale in commercial vehicles and built to automotive quality standards. A breakthrough in compact, efficient thermal management, perfect when using ultra-low GWP refrigerants, engineered for tomorrow's infrastructure today. How does it perform? Oil-free, frictionless operation. Less wear, less downtime, less associated costs. Runs with ultra-low GWP and natural refrigerants, enabling sustainable design compliance. Smaller footprint compared with legacy oil-lubricated units. Delivers meaningful energy savings. Noticeably quieter for noise-sensitive installations. Dramatically reduces vibrations, helping prevent refrigerant leaks and extending equipment life. Whether you're managing heat in a battery farm, retrofitting rooftop HVAC, or cooling mission-critical servers, you gain space. You cut service disruptions. You make energy saving. You lower carbon impact and total cost of ownership. All with the proven reliability of an oil-free system built for continuous duty, increasing lifetime of the system. Powered by Garrett's 7 decades of high-speed turbo machinery innovation and foil-bearing mastery, trusted by global OEMs and infrastructure leaders alike. Garrett's oil-free centrifugal e-cooling technology uses foil bearings and provides high-efficiency, no-maintenance thermal performance for HVAC systems, energy storage systems, and data centers. Are you ready to future-proof your cooling systems?